Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, here to take you through today's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end Tuesday. Now, the S&P 500 closed up 1.5%. The Dow increased by just over 1%. The Nasdaq 100 rose 1.6%. And the Russell 2000 closed 2.5% higher. Now, taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the day, all 11 S&P 500 sectors ended higher today, with materials and consumer discretionary up by the most. Real estate was also up, helped by better than expected earnings from PulteGroup and data from the FHFA and Case-Shiller home price indexes that were within expectations. Utilities, energy, and consumer staples were up by the least. Now, looking at a few more stocks on the move, GM shares closed more than 8% higher after earnings beat expectations, and the company gave a better than expected outlook for this year. During the quarter, inflation was almost completely offset by higher selling prices. Revenue, however, missed estimates. PulteGroup shares closed more than 9% higher, touching a new 52-week high today after earnings beat expectations. Home sale revenue grew by nearly 20%, led by an increase in the average sale price of a home, which was at $571,000 for the quarter. New orders did, however, slide on higher interest rates, but that was offset by those higher home prices. Caterpillar closed more than 3% down today. While revenue beat on a strong demand for construction and energy equipment, despite higher prices, profit missed expectations by 17 cents a share. It was Caterpillar's first earnings miss since 2020. That came as the costs for raw materials continued to climb. And AMD shares saw a boost in post-market trading after releasing earnings that beat expectations for the fourth quarter. Like its peers, AMD has grappled with a slowdown in chip demand for PCs and higher inventory. But the earnings results showed resilience. AMD sees first quarter revenue above analyst expectations. Let's look at what to watch for tomorrow. It's another busy day on the economic data front. We'll get an update on the labor market with the ADP employment report and the JOLTS report, while the manufacturing PMI and ISM manufacturing reports will also be released. And at 2 p.m. Eastern, the first FOMC announcement of the year will be released, followed by Chair Jerome Powell's press conference. And it'll be another day full of important earnings. Pre-market, we'll hear from Altria, T-Mobile, Humana, and Peloton. Post-market, Meta Platforms, Corvo, and McKesson report. Meta stock fell 23% after its last report back in October, but has risen over 20% this month. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to TDAmeritradeNetwork.com.